sustainable green technology baseline, and has
Right.
been for a bunch of years here.
Let's talk about the size of this technology, because I've been talking with a lot of people that is going in this direction in different industries, and it's amazing how all the different industries at the end merge together in just pretty much the same point that you can apply these different approaches to different industries as well. In this moment, what is the level or the scale that you have developed your technology so far?
So what we've built right now is what we call Module 1. It's the first line in our plant, and it's rated to run at 5,000 pounds a day. So that's where we're stepping up to, is to run at 5,000 pounds. Our plan is to add 4 more modules in our current location to be doing 10 tons a day of feedstock.
Got it. Who is your source of this type of material?
So we have a partnership with a large recycler, Davis Recycling, who has a reach of 13 states in the eastern seaboard of the U.S. So he's our primary source. Other sources we're developing is to work with OEMs, to directly work with the large engine manufacturers to become a circular option for them.
Right. Is this material also globally being treated in the same approach? Or, I mean, because for sure, mining this material in, for example, China or Russia, or should be something big, I think.
So the major mining places for this material are Russia and South Africa. South Africa is your major. So there is geopolitical issues with the current mining area. Russia is Russia, and South Africa has infrastructure issues, power grid, all those types of things, which makes the ability for them to be a consistent supplier is somewhat in doubt.
And as a CEO of a company like Regenx, what do you think about what is happening from the point of view of closing mining here in the US when we want to grow some industries like the EVs, right? That we need a lot of, say, I will not say mining, but we need cobalt, for example, for the anode. And we have 77% of China, leading the market in this direction. So it looks to me that we are pushing to an industry that is depending on third parties that we don't have a really good relationship at all, for saying something. So as a CEO of a company that's been in the mining industry and is working on the recycling side to, make products more reliable and lower down the CO2 emissions and go with all this trend, what do you think about it? Because at the end, looks to me that we are pushing very hard to get in one direction, but at the same time, we are, let's say, giving up on some sources here in the US. So we are creating codependency on third parties that maybe can affect the best way to move in this direction.
So I think that the U.S. government is starting to